Hi everyone, and happy Monday. I'm JD Hoovener, your host of the Bold Today Show, where you, the inventor, entrepreneur, or business owner, get your daily inspiration so you can go make the world a better place. All right, we're here. We're talking about a brand new subject, an industry that's really taken a lot of states by storm. It's cannabis law and cannabis industry, whether it be producing it, growing it, retailing, or consuming it. This industry is by far and away one of the most important and late-breaking industries. What we have is technology to not only grow unique plants and varieties, but have different devices and unique ways of business, of dealing with business, whether it's tracking it via software, figuring out how to grow it, and then finally how to sell it. What are the methods and financial ins and outs and how this is going to work? We have 9 states that have legalized both medical and recreational marijuana. There are over 20 states now that have got, on top of the 9, that have legalized medical marijuana. So I mean, it's more than half of the country has now come on board and legalized this new substance that is part of the mainstream. But even though it's part of the mainstream, at least around here, what's not true is that it is not federally legal, right? And so that means that all of the federal processes, federal law that governs things like patents and trademarks, there's some issues, right, with regard to the Controlled Substances Act. And so that, as we're going to talk about this week, we're going to take a look at each part of the intellectual property and analyze how cannabis industry is impacted, and what the owners and those that are in the industry need to know about how to protect their intellectual property. You can take a look at trademark law tomorrow. We're going to dig into how different brands are affected. On Wednesday, we're going to take a look at patent law, do a deep dive into what is patentable about cannabis. And then lastly in the week, we're going to take a look at the Plant Variety Protection Act for those plants that can't quite be protected under plant patents, but there is another mechanism to do that. We're going to talk about that on Thursday. And then we're going to finish out discussing copyrights and trade secrets within the cannabis industry. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. I'm your host, JD Hoovener. Go big, go bold.